I'm not ready for this. I'm never going to be ready for this. Hello, everyone. This is Wolf-fang here, and we have a motorized Nerf gun. You could go ahead and show it off. But yeah, what is it? 95?
95 feet per second.
Feet per second. So that's
64 miles per hour.
And I'm going to get shot by it. Now, oh God, it is motorized, so I'm scared. So it's automatic. And I took the precaution, obviously. I got the face mask, and I'm even wearing a cup because Tina's known for shooting me in the nuts by accident. Or purpose. I don't know. Anyway, I'm scared. Let's do this. Oh. Ready when you are.
Oh, I'm ready.
Yeah, I know you're ready. God. I'm sorry. Ah, shit. Oh, God. Ow. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. He's so ah. God damn, okay. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought, but oh God, it does sting a little. You freaking kept hitting the cup anyways. Good thing good investment. Get a cup.
Pure accident.
But that was fun. Alright, cool. Actually wasn't too bad. So, this is actually going to go on my channel. Hope you guys liked it. And Tina is going to get the pump gun, shotgun. So check her channel. Links in the description on the bottom. Hope you guys enjoyed it.